Hey guys, welcome back to another quick short tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how you can reset your Samsung mobile. It's a very easy and simple process. To learn it you have to watch this video till the very end. So without any further ado, let's get started. And one thing you have to keep in your mind is that if you reset your mobile, then all data in your mobile will be deleted. So to do this, all you got to do, you have to open up your mobile settings. So here you go, and after that you have to scroll down a little bit, and here you'll get general management. So here you can see that general management, so tap on here, and after that scroll down all the way to the bottom, and at the bottom side you'll get reset, so tap on here, and after that here you'll get four options, and the last one is factory data reset, so tap on here, and now scroll down all the way to the bottom, and at the bottom side here you can see that reset option, so tap on here, and now it will ask your mobile pin number, so type your pin number here, and now here you can see that delete all, so tap on here, and now wait a while. After a few minutes your mobile will restart again. And after that a page will appear like this one. From here you have to tap on start button, so tap on here, and after that this page will appear. Now you have to select first two options, so select first two options, then tap on agree, and wait a while, and then tap on don't copy, and now it will ask you for sign in your Gmail account. If you don't wanna sign in your Gmail account, then tap on skip, then again tap on skip, and then scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here you'll get accept button, so tap on here, and after that again tap on skip, and then again tap on skip anyway, and after that you will get some apps. If you don't wanna install this app on your phone right now, then tap on here, and then tap on OK, and now uncheck this smart tutor, so tap on here, then tap on next, and after that tap on skip, then tap on skip again, and now tap on agree, then tap on next, and then tap on finish, and wait a while, and here you can see that I am done. My mobile is ready to use. So following this simple process you can also easily reset your Samsung mobile. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.